play so she might record that. Right. So ma five in the big of la Joe with us all right on the Kestney Matalik 19.1. Halme Joe reached. Right, so just going to also back to Jean just lock and grow a hand and yabble to the Kestney so Ramage Ray could Jean head section. So Ramage could share screen. So the new team is going to have Réimse Leictreach la Réimse Leictreach. So la hand and yabble to Joe, what does that mean? What's on us?
Yeah.
Perfect. Route all right, and the Kestney mats are
there. Just there's a few of the end ones.
Right. Would they get him hard free to couple can journey just or?
I just the last few. I got one to 6 grand.
Right. So just a couple can journey. Perfect. Right.
Yeah.
So right. Tasha mal Kestney over a short. So I guess I'm afraid. So just to get rod. I guess edition what Matthew na Giovanni na Radi at the end. We should add out back to the radio show. I guess Triella won't just do. So I can do Kestney over a short and should just leave my moha. The charge on a proton in the nucleus of an atom is 1.6 by 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Now, if the distance between two protons in the nucleus of an iron atom is 4 by 10 to the power minus 15 meters, find the force of repulsion between them. Now, the Dirsha assumed that the charges are in a vacuum, and if the mass of the proton is 1.67 by 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms, and the gravitational constant is 6.7 by 10 to the power minus 11 newtons per meter squared per Newton meter squared per kilogram squared, find the gravitational force between the two protons. So the force is the Yolan in sequestration. So Tash Mijafla she had a force of repulsion at the rod. So screaming she's the formula. So the F Kojima he is skun 4 pi permittivity. So these because there's just in vacuum, permittivity 0 because testing goes in the vacuum. Okay. By 1.6, so it is making to the top charge. The head charge is 1.6 by 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. I guess then we go to reduction from charge kernel because then we can't find electron. So by 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. A leak is gone. I guess it is this fad edru is 4 by 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay, so it's in the cover the hill agus climate in the county. With okay, listen, Joe, you had two some formula, yeah?
All right.
Perfect. Now, negation and challenge, so just testing faster, mohorntishin is the calculator. It is so the F quadrumla, he is can care pi, and then gene value had to shaft when you permittivity. So it is working to the top of the page, assume the charges are in a vacuum, are EO 8.9 by 10 to the power of minus 12. By 10 to the power of minus 12. I guess it is made the fashion leak. Was it okay? Made the fan get the leak. Just I less I'm a shaski will like Maris. Okay, so there's a shin leak jant cut, cushion leak is on the calculator. I guess we should do in frigere that 14.306 newtons. Okay. So there's the 14.306 newtons. So we're going to test in force. So Mergensen, if the distance between the two protons in the nucleus is 4 by 10 to the power minus 5, find the force of repulsion between them. So it is must mention this is a diagram. Then charge away in your balancing, negative charge, electron. So obviously the force of repulsion and force go in opposite directions. Okay. Now, for the darna partition to require the gravitational force. So this meets here the formula for Newton's universal law of gravitation. So that's going to force cosmos gravitational constant. M here, M da is gone d squared. Okay. So it is going to linear to formula. So it is the shin cosmos now. Mercury to the case, that the mass of a proton is 1.67 by 10 to the power of minus 27 newtons. So gravitational constant, 6.7 by 10 to the power of minus 11. Medifa, the mass in a electron away, so 1.67 by 10 to the power of minus 27. Medifa 1.67 by 10 to the power of minus 27. Okay, agus lig scan. Is the reach of 5 through a rod kerne 4 by 10 to the power of minus 15 squared. Is the reach question leak is in the calculator. I should do 1.17 by 10 to the power of minus 35 newtons. Okay. Okay, listen, Joe.
Yeah.
Perfect. Right. So, Eanair Kealda, and that's just into Lati Head formula. Eanair Jan, all this took it. Permittivity 8.9 by 10 to the power minus 12, and then just got a whole lot at the calculator. I guess you the charge 0.3 Newton. The Darnican, it is force of gravitational pull, so it is Eanair G more M D squared. I should do 1.17 by 10 to the power of minus 35 newtons. Okay. Oh, so no good. You gonna be rub on that?
Yeah.
Perfect. Right. So Réimse Leictreach could you kist ever art and shouldn't so kist ever art it is to me Eanair formula kern it is so kist ever art has can go the force cosma he is can 4 pi permittivity that q here q da is can d squared. Okay, I guess the able to now American to say art the force of repulsion between the two identically charged particles is 0.2 newton. So it's actually touch a figure to union shan yamni punch da newton. Okay, if the charges are 2 centimeters apart in air, what is the size of the charge on each? So it is what the token shan to charge going. I guess so because this is identical, that means the repel. I guess the plus or minus, and so differ. It's me get the upper margin. Tasking will the force in newtons to 0.2 at the reverse, with me get the upper margin charge. So it means quarter q here. I guess q da. Now because the q here cuts my q da because they're the same charge, so he can just q a horizon. So it is q made for q is q squared. So he got the formula change it. How? Q squared. Okay? So, raised Higlinson National so Tesco got 0.2 newtons in a force. Codumla, he is going to pi, raised to air, Codumla permittivity, Costlin permittivity U2 or vacuum, so it reached 8.9 by 10 to the power of minus 12. Okay? I guess then we've got elevation for Q squared. Is gone d squared. I guess the fad through is 2 centimeters. So 0.02 meters squared. Now, reached my mature leaks as could in T shot test can called q squared, codumla 0.2 medifa a hundred to fuin lean and shot. So sin keher pi medifa art punching the medifa j guarta luja da yek. Maybe if I never punch in your da carne here. I raise the q cosmla square root because it's a squared that 100 it wasn't shan because in a shan the calculator. I guess you made figure that q well he can actually open a machine advantage. So my to shan is shared the calculator to the fall 8.9472. By 10 to the power of minus 15. I guess raised to Q, we go over like 9.46 by 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. Okay, I guess in kist over the art. Okay. Frank, for this is short answer there, into favor will ever August Giovanni against Matthew just textbook just get to what should he or just well internet connection na.
Yeah.
Good on you. Good man. Right, was you no good, Frank? Or Joe?
Aye.
Perfect. Right, so I would cast every night. So cast every night, you said the attractive force between two small charges is F when the separation of the charges is X. So if the separation is increased to 3x, so that means the you got a D, the separation, D cosine X, because the you got a 3x. Okay, is 3x, what will be the forces between the charges? Okay, now this must meet into the formula to F a heen, or F cosine heen is given 4 pi permittivity, to Q a heen, Q da is given D squared. So to D and S cosine X, so he given X a horizontal. Okay, now sin finding force 1. Now my atom then you force 2. G heen is given K pi permittivity 0, that Q heen, Q da is given, and it's 3x squared. Okay, so raise to majada sin and skrive mar heen is given 4 permittivity E0, that Q heen, Q da is given 9x squared. Now, can you count to me get a shaw agus shaw of identical? So ruddy enemy when you mention no ma. So sin right kerne that heen is given in the bracket, that heen is given 4 permittivity E0, that Q heen, Q da is given x squared. So
what you chart moisture, but no Matthew again, so
you Matthew mantra, geez, you wash out what lie away. Right, anyway, better major. At least push out back to the radio show could be, so I'm not too worried. Kind of well in the birth of us all now and again. But anyway, when you go. So with all right, so good, Joe.
Yeah, that's grand, yeah.
Right, now it is to get a full ratio on 1/9, and so right the new back so good shaw. So your force F1 will equal to 9 F2. So it is to the goal 9 F2 or 1/9. It's 1/9 going to scale, it's 1/9 F1. So my F1 is going to be 1/9 the second force. So my Vedamidinian fought by 3. You know, 1/9 of the force. So if the force, for example, the force in Shen Kojima Nui, when force in Shen Kojima Heel. The machine Kojima Archig, when force in Shen Kojima Da. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess Shin Kesh every Nui. Okay? Right. Kesh every J. So, Kishevra J, there's ABC are 3 points on a straight line with AB 10 centimeters, BC 5 centimeters, and AC 15 centimeters. So, what the energy charge just taring diagram. Okay, I guess the 3 charge you got. Okay, so to AB go C, so to A go GB J centimeter. So to A go GB J centimeter. Okay, I guess to B go GC. Quick centimeter. Okay. Now, and AC obviously A to GC is 15 centimeters with the Shinogun. Now, the charges of 8, 10 are placed at A and B respectively. So, shot 8 microcoulombs. I guess shot 10 microcoulombs. Okay. Are placed at A and B respectively. What charge must be placed at C so that there is 0 resultant force on the charge at B? So to much quartu lua X or Q. Do you imagine shock Q? Okay. Now, then kiss yenu or make Q or shaw and then try to make your formula linema. Now, when you 0 charge away at the shaw, a shaw kahishan of a concentration. Kahin charge whether A gets B agus C with cotton hill. So ruddy enemy and so touch me off for charges that A gets B. So make the formula so the heenus can keher pi permittivity ta Jeremy 10. So to me generate B had to be so 10 by 10 the power of minus 6 coulombs. Okay. Made for Q, so shouldn't charge Q and shot. lígas gan a fad idrú is 5 centimeters. So seo midú gobar má B go C. So you mid 5 centimeters, so sin 0.05 squared. Okay? Agus test gan go sin go bheith codrum la, a charge at the agus B. So réiste sin go bheith codrum hínas gan ceithir pi permittivity da 8 by 10 to the power of minus 6, so sin 8 microcoulombs. Midi fa 10 by 10 to the power of minus 6, so sin J microcoulomb. The lígas gan agus the fad idrú sin is 0.1 meters sin J centimeter. Okay, now there's a formula oh good to me add the cancel amount. So to get this in, about the cancel amount as you get this in. So and then just solve for Q. So to Q, codrum la, so rahi shaw, so skajin tisha, agus raishin she's fui. So raised to me for 8 by 10 to the power of minus 6, midi for 10 by 10 to the power of minus 6, midi for 0.05 squared. A lígas gan 0.01 squared agus chucky 10 by 10 by 10 to the power of minus 6 fui. So raised to get shin, the calumala shin. So to Q, codrum la, 8 by 10 to the power of minus 6, midifa 0.05 squared. Will we add this in the cancel more? No, that's fine. So midifa 0.05 squared, a lígas gan 0.01 or 0.1 squared. So question is shandy calculator. I guess we should do your charge Q. I guess we should codrum 2 by 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Which the codrum la, I guess it is just plus 2 microcoulombs.
Can you do Giovanni like in Shisham?
Yes, of course. So Greg had a new summon since you're admit me. Okay. Yes, Giovanni. Hello. Is I get short long. Anyway. Question for big. So it reached the addition did 2 by 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs, which the codrum 2 microcoulombs. Would okay listen, Joe?
Ah, that's grand.
So do you get to a doi of rush machines kist? Would okay listen?
Yeah, no, I do get it. I don't know. It's just when I'm reading the question, it's hard to.
There's a jacker figure that so my has to go in let my has to let or hand to diagram by any chance, no?
Not well, I was, but I couldn't even like think of the diagram in my head either. Like,
all right, so Kaiti just to the lay cash Kaiti just every issue she's for so of course la, but the ABC are 3 points in a straight line, so just turn straight line. ABC, A and B is 10 centimeters apart, B and C is 5 centimeters apart, and then if the repulsion force between the two is 0, so that means Kahin force to be at the A is B, agus B agus C has to equal to 0. So with the force of the reversion, agus aversion has to equal to 0, then Kahin formula the force, the codrum force, and then it's just a matter of Lena shadows, formula, gender cancellations, agus it add the Q obrima. Okay?
Yeah, I do get it like now, yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Request to be illusion. That's it in a bit. Right. Yeah, so in the Kissney, right. So that's perfect. Giovanni, we're just in the Kissney, John Terrere.
Yeah, we're having Moscow Shin.
Yes, quite to alarm settles us. No, to the here and the hog cost a less scholar, no?
No, we alarms sus, but
I shop.
Fight
to snooze, fight to shan snooze, right?
I think we machine, sorry.
Right, it's all right. Worst day, could I miss us a video show anyway? Jerun wrong, so rather be versatile to your margin. We're to grind the Kissney John Terrere, we're to add or for the John right, that's perfect. You white Homer be your Matthew, no?
No.
Yes, I can't try the phone ahead, so but anyway, we shall do a video show later on. Right.
Yeah.
Right, would you say? Right, so the race shin the Kissney shin Janted. Now, chucking the Shinnikia Kissney Hawkins and East or the exam paper, but you're not costly kiss to J, but Gaheri Kissney o Keher Quick She Shart to Gazart. Shinnikia August Nui Carway Chicks and East Chucky Kissney costly in East of the exam. August Cheek Goni Kissney or the force of repulsion between two charges. So it's few Olum because manol the honya electricity and at least Fulham shan. I guess my hiction is and be that either lechestianu or kestomlanianu or charges between two electrons and so forth. Okay, right. So Réimse Leictreach, my screen share live. So Réimse Leictreach your PowerPoint. Let's just create image in you. So I had an PowerPoint in the yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Right. So it is just Réimse Leictreach. So Merkin to lehena ye trocha. To just go to the kind for electric field strengths. Okay. Now so it is electric field strength geton. So as a Réimse Leictreach in regions bias in the family and forces shahas and force tarnter or locked Leictreach stata. So it is just space which experience a electric charge or a static electric charge other than the force of gravity. Okay, again rather than electric field. So can you tell everything experiences the force of gravity, but for the electric field we can experience a static charge, and hence we have an electric field faster. Now Tarlin Réimse Leictreach Marial are in locked in the stata elle the cocker snart. So in the vicinity or in this place harder electric field is caused because of all these static electric charges at the ends an hour. Okay. Now I'm switching to that's good power lines. I guess the power to electric flow all feed in the power line for la power aguji the hagas and what. So like the electric field go away because of the static charge, then electrons flow all feed wire, plus the magnetic field to go away hard to faster. But you mentioned in the chapter or magnetism, we're able to be mal right. So Merkin within your static charge, Tanya Maja Merlina Gira, I guess Kermit said bigger, let's just put Kane draw on the wall and Réimse Leictreach golf. So there's a kind for Kade Trorlina Réimse Leictreach. So took the Lina and force or faster. So I say Trorlina Réimse Leictreach and the Lina at Tarning Char Réimse Leictreach, I guess a leading draw and force or locked Jevna as suitor so Réimse. So actual and Réimse Leictreach ledger and Trorlina Cogra the Hilla. I guess actual and Réimse Leictreach log ten Trorlina a wad on the Hilla. So calculation is just stopping man screen share. So just removing the stop screen share. So just making this electric field lines. So what is it? Réimse electric field line so arrow agus said now Murderman shan what is it fad the hule on the helle then tis a log but what is it inta cogra the helle the electric field inta lighter on so nis cogra tis the helle nis lighter at an electric field I guess usually the lab ruddy and love na yon top bug alle I guess Mohammed Samalena is Jahan actually rice pudding is on. Went to Samalena rice pudding is Jahan all so much as I got to wall hocklet Israel the move battery into lighter good. But making to a bonliana ye troha Pumadi has been even show a screen share could be. So reach Merkin to say so in Trorlina Réimse Leictreach Réimse Leictreach Canela. So it is to can positive. So it is the Trorlina Réimse Leictreach hard to lock Gemna Eanair is reach to each at the ma Mohabala. Canela minus is reached in Chakonisha. So can you kind for the electric field usually can we go do my right level for the conventional current, I guess, conventional current where for the scientists contract, I guess, flowing negative electrons own circuit the Mahabala. But the reason the switcher sound first go near plus G minus. So Shinati, there's like this in the electric lines are the make it as an electric line to the power point to the go gal plus go G minus, which tend to say the gal is jahabala to the minus. Agus reached make it in so reached neutrally into Réimse Leictreach harta lock jevna cogra de lock juta. So reached the ed plus the go gal go G minus. So just can you come in even though golden electrons flow all minus go G plus. Chin electric field line so go plus go G minus. Okay. Question did you be through this? And are you okay? Yeah, right, okay. Then you be kind, so that's good. Right.
Yeah, that's grand.
Yeah, my Joe. Now, we're going to positive charge in actually here. Neutrally Réimse Leictreach harta lock jevna is the reason to repulsion and shan. So we all of repulsion, check to the electric field lines, champa hue na hill. Agus reached now make it as a plate and Sean. So shocking I'll die open capacitor to parallel plate to good agus reach much voltage at the reverse is the major charge. So and Réimse Leictreach the plate the coach over a will lock na cogra aru Réimse Leictreach at the Eanair na more. So it is to the kind for high voltage. Now high voltage the Gurker cost 5,000 kilovolts for your electric field spoils into RDN. Usually the flight open is in the lab because we know this in the hashpandiv. But hopefully when we back in the school we will the quick run over for each grinding the experiment show. It just reading the notes. Okay. So show the hermage an almost uniform electric field. So Réimse Leictreach at the Eanair, so it's a uniform electric field with the high voltage you got for each. So reach plus the galgogene plate the way and minus the galgogene plate ella ex reach into an electric field line so galum plus plate gogene plate minus. Okay. A reach show an experiment but we mean div do that. So Torignev from pattern Réimse Leictreach a liru. So when you suggest in Charles Leictreach hall, so at least we call it a good set of Charles show. So reach to all the concrete semolina agus reach behind to plate to handle high voltage chef to actually the semolina beats bugger or to the seeds bugger the semolina the legal lina as in lean to gira. Agus open chahamli and this lab which was actually so very cool like so reach when you said this in Charles Leictreach child kangle funcha art voltage this the plate metal less than all agus in then semolin linche in intro listen Réimse rod the leading and Réimse Leictreach. So reach is the experiment more short mini trial mini experiment but simply la Réimse Leictreach liru Shinnick Chalkan and Chaw to the Lord for the so it is turning to diagram turn to later done all the semolina against the plate metal a high voltage against leaning against behind the beats or the semolina seats is a handy Nigeria. Okay. Right. So maturation so applications. Now make it as impactation so Jaskra Electra has as against Jaskra Electras on so can show a teen low clean a t-shirt show chef to yell but the current should electrostatic precipitators so electric static precipitators nyasha on and show against jintin touch against the salahar the dirt particles the leakage at the mass shimla whereas a t-shirt show 10 precipitator or a Jaskra Electra stata a gallen show so other ton that can the plenty more static charge I guess tiny and the stickland the dirt particles leaked on plate show I guess stopping chin a salahar a goal test still touch it's at the mass na simulation but just naked to because there's a bunch of salahar leak and more has a touching I guess shin can the wind in the applications for you static charger electric field lines. Merkin to actually near chogum instant a PowerPoint and show. So Merkin to earlier heat draw heen. So reason can the wine electrostatic precipitators, seriography into photocopiers, it is using seriography, I guess it is. Now it is near fair that they can be a question of venue. Ask what able to sample that three sample come you so more to get the exam to give 3 applications of an electric field use applications of electric fields. Then you look at that scríbste electrostatic precipitator, so sin jascar electrostata, seriography and photocopiers agus the effect of an electric field on integrated circuit fásta. So a ríist ascóils go de virtue with the calculator. Ní bheith féart actually míniu cén do jobran se. Ní ac mar sin a réir chart níos for exam, so I can't see a chart níos nas. So just ascóil sample o good. When you the exam paper with the gart. Okay. Now, market to the effect of electric field on integrated circuit. So then you be to go over la electronics, and so the mission hollis just that your electronics. We actually build a circuits because rudi tashagoni tower to go according to art rudi hunchit electrostatic strap. Or why then you be on more electrostatic strap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have one.
Of the kind of goods. So it is rud the Harlan na there's a gobberless circuit because there's a charge out the flow of feed a car. Now hook lots a static charge meltna available to us. Like that's something to much meltna static charge because Gaheri decided to my bunta that is a car so to be to my goni full electric shock or mahin magazine shopping trolley or Harley said that then you be give made the jeans shopping trolley should the grammar bar. I guess that they got a quick static shock has. Now, near a Harlanchen, that means that they're fairly static. So, when there's a gobberla electronic circuits, let's say static charging is two gobberla circuits. But one is the component or the circuit board. I guess that the static na Ryan static charging gene component. I guess English flow up to us or damosi in it. And therefore, listen, la koshka horizon, rodi into na rodi hunchid a static strap. So current art strap agus canal to sin guji earth. So just take hang guji in talu and you're safe enough la upper than the circuits. Okay. Question then you be guji sin?
No.
And then you're right. Perfect. Okay. Right. So round guji electric field strength. So reach bonlia hena yehi tra hinashin. So Eanair and Réimse Leictreach. So what's the electric field strength? So as Eanair and Réimse Leictreach E more for electric field and forces an init lopta ag punches a remission. So it is and forces that coulon as Eanair and Réimse Leictreach agus carver doctor Jane electric field strength. So Jane is the strength. So Jane Réimse Leictreach are faster. Okay, so Eanair Réimse Leictreach on the Eanair vector. So this is a vector quantity, so therefore to mage agus draw again. Okay. Now, cadden in it aside the Réimse Leictreach, so this is in it Réimse Leictreach no Newton sa coulomb because to me call our force per charge. So it is force per charge, so that's Newton per coulomb. Okay. Now, ma one force F Newton le locked Q coulomb and the Carter in Réimse Leictreach A Eanair E Newton's equivalent to the Eanair Réimse Leictreach E listen formula E equals F over Q. So it is if a charge Q experiences a force F when placed in an electric field, the field strength E is given by E equals F over Q. So this formula is in the Steve Delore table. So my humble heart na scuji lehena yehi trohado a short jerun chapter show. So Merkin to Erlena yehi trohado just was the boy. Electric field strength is a vector, so the magnitude of E at the point in the electric field is the size of the force that would be exerted on the charge of +1 coulomb placed at that point. The direction of E is the direction of the force on the +1 coulomb. Okay, right, so then we'll start when you new. So funny oberballe funny wrong and what again?
Yeah.
The
wrong way and what again. So funny wrong and what to wrong a little going so shin wrong away I think Google Orange and so moisten to head wrong a little funny exercise 19.2 you know. Okay. So when you get trail this 19.2, I guess rather be no that the end and Réimse Leictreach Sarong and Moira. Was it okay?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Right. Well, Kistnig then you be actually clean room says.
No, Neil.
No, then you're right. Right, okay, right. So just Jenny cart need you punch your dog do for your moira and Kurimasis meeting quick one which you're wrong and moira reached. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
Perfect.
Right. My right. Slide.
Slant.